Okay, today I'm going to show you how to round the equator seam. So this seam right here, this seam right here. Sometimes you'll need to do this if you have vertical pull or drag lines in the cup. Often that means the cup is too large. But if it is a correctly sized cup, you still might want to take out some of the point to the cup. So in order to do that, say we're going to take it down a centimeter. So you're going to mark it at the apex, and then you're going to go from here to here with your French curve. And you're just going to draw that in. So now you've moved it down. And you will need to adjust your seam allowance. Just going to cut off the excess. And now that's how you do it on the upper cup. Now, if you do this on the upper cup, you're going to have to also do it on the lower cup. So, here's our lower cup. I'm going to go to the apex. I'm going to mark down 1 centimeter right there. We're going to take our French curve. And just draw it in. We're going to measure seam allowance. These plastic rulers really come in handy, and they are available online. So we've got it marked, and now we're just going to trim off the excess. And there you have it. That shows you how to move the apex down in case you have a situation where you're having vertical drag lines or you want to just reduce the point of the apex. So that's how you do that.